Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 20. If x varies directly as y and 1 over y varies directly as z, how does x vary with z? A. X varies directly as y and z. B. X varies directly as z. C. X varies inversely as z. D. X varies inversely as y. And E. X varies inversely as yz. So we are given that x varies inversely with y, and that 1 over y varies directly as z. So x varies directly as y, 1 over y varies directly as z. Now this statement simply means that z varies inversely as y. That's the implication of this statement here, that z varies inversely as y. Now we are now told that how does x vary with z? And from here we are given that x varies directly as y, meaning that when there's an increase in x, there will also be an increase in y, and a decrease in x will also be what? A decrease in y. Now here z varies what? Inversely as y. So definitely, because y varies what? Directly as x, because when there's an increase in x, there will be increase in y. Definitely what? Z will what? Vary inversely too with x, because whenever x increases, y will increase, and when there's an increase in y, there will be a decrease in z, because z varies inversely with y. So therefore z varies inversely as x. Z varies inversely as x, because what? X varies directly as y and z varies inversely with y. So therefore when x increases and y increases, z will decrease, and so therefore z varies what? Inversely as x, because an increase in x will lead to a decrease in z, and an decrease in x will lead to what? An increase in z. And the answer to this question is option C. Option C. Option C is the answer to this question, because you saying z varies inversely as x is also the same thing as saying what? It's also the same thing as saying x varies inversely as what? As z. So this is also the same thing, because when there's an increase in x, there will be a decrease in z. Likewise here too, when there's an increase in z, there will be a decrease in x. So C is the correct answer to this question. Option C. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.